Hi, I'm Pat Hindle with Microwave Journal, and I'm here at European Microwave Week 2019. I'm talking to Ingmar van der Linden of Rogers Corporation, Strategic Marketing Manager. So you were at the Automotive Forum today. Can you tell us what some of the trends you're seeing in the automotive market?
Yes, of course, Pat. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to having this interview together. So basically, on the Automotive Forum, what we have seen in the beginning of this week is basically that we see a high penetration rate of automotive radar in cars basically today, and this is basically driven mostly through safety. So especially in order to reduce the number of road fatalities around the world. So basically there are two main organizations driving these new functions in cars basically. This is NCAP, especially here in Europe, and also NHTSA in the United States. So, but on the other hand, we also see another long-term trend, especially coming from autonomous driving at higher levels of automation. So up there we see especially robo-taxis, for example, autonomous driving or mobility as a service.
And so what are some of the frequencies that they're working at for these applications?
We see especially in these radars being applied, or traditional basically, we have seen mostly 24 gigahertz radar sensors being applied in this market. But in the last years, 5 years basically, we see a trend towards 77 gigahertz radar, and something lately what came up was also the 79 gigahertz radar. This is having a larger bandwidth, so moving towards the future we see also radars coming at 79 gigahertz.
Yeah, so that gives you a better bandwidth resolution, you get more data. So how do you support these markets?
Well, basically the automotive radar market is really a huge growth market for Rogers, very important. And basically we have been supporting this market by different things in the last year. So basically we have been increasing our capacity worldwide to enable more production. Local to local is important up here. And at the same time, also all our production facilities are now EATF qualified, certified, basically.
And so what kind of products do you support the market with from Rogers?
Well, this is very exciting news because during this show recently we have been launching our new 3003 G2 material for automotive radar basically, and what we have been doing up here is in the last 15 years Rogers has gained a lot of experience in this market, and all this knowledge is really integrated into this new product what we have been launching recently.
And I imagine these have to be cost sensitive, so how do you support the cost and performance at the same time?
Well, Pat, let us first talk a little bit about the key features of this product, basically, because the new 3003 G2 high performance material has a very low insertion loss. At the same time, it's also using a new VLP copper, what actually enables better etching or gives better etching capabilities. Rogers also has incorporated a new filler system, basically, what also enables a better processability of this product. So that really makes it suitable for next generation 77 and 79 gigahertz radar.
And it's also a low cost to address that market?
Yes, of course. Cost is, of course, always very important in the automotive industry. So therefore, well, basically in order to respond to that market request, Rogers has been launching a year ago the RO4830. This is basically a thermal set with similar properties or dielectric properties around DK3 as the 3003. This product basically enables, because it's a thermal set, it enables a better processability, resulting in more cost effectiveness, basically.
Well, great. We really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today, and we're coming from European Microwave 2019.